Today we're tackling a common problem area, the lower back. Whether it's from sitting at a desk or past injuries, massaging your back with the KOAPRO Massage Tools can provide immense relief. For best results, warm up your muscles with a few minutes of exercise to get your blood flowing. This prepares your body for the massage. You can use the KOAPRO tools over form-fitting clothing or on bare skin with oil. Let's dive into the techniques. Using your preferred KOAPRO massage tool, apply gentle pressure and use sweeping motions up and down and side to side. Always ease in at your own pace and allow your tissue to relax and decompress. Target both sides of your lower back and sides. If any areas feel tense, lighten the pressure and focus on the surrounding areas. This allows the target area to relax as you ease into the massage. You can control the pressure and intensity by adjusting your body position or the depth of the massage tool. For deep tissue massage, apply more sustained pressure. For trigger point release, use the KOAPRO's end thumbs to release tense adhesions. Gently press the thumb into and all around the target area and apply pressure to help release tension. Adjust the tool and your body position for comfort. Try moving and rotating your body to enhance the release of tension and increase your range of motion. Experiment with different angles and postures to target different areas of the lower back. Be sure to listen to your body and adjust the pressure accordingly. Remember to focus on deep breathing throughout the massage to encourage relaxation and tension release. For best results, we recommend massaging the lower back for about 1 to 3 minutes a few times a week. Consistency is key to maintaining muscle relaxation and overall well-being. With regular practice, you'll experience the benefits of a relaxed and tension-free back. And there you have it, a simple yet effective tutorial using KOAPRO massage tools to target the lower back. Remember to always listen to your body and discontinue the massage if something feels off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other KOAPRO massage tutorials for unique tips on different muscle groups.